Alrighty, Facebook, good morning. YouTube, Anthony here at Good House Floor Care. I'm gonna be doing a restretch and I'm gonna be carpet cleaning this carpet. Customer found me here on Google. I got the new Good House Mobile today for carpet cleaning and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm up against, so let me take you inside. See these wrinkles here in the bedroom, into the hallway, and into the living room. Alrighty, stay tuned. That's it. All the wrinkles are gone. Remember how bad it was in this hallway? Oh my goodness. All right, once again, as always, thanks for watching.